Hi everyone, this is Floyd and welcome to my vlog. And for today's episode, we're going to unbox this premium headphones from Sony. This is the SONY WH-1000XM3. And this is the fierce competitor of the BOSE QC35 Mark II. So guys, if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and I hope you enjoyed this episode. Let's go! So guys, I bought this item in Lazada the other day and it was delivered via Ninja Van. And it was delivered within 2 days, so it's quite fast. I noticed here in Singapore, online transactions is very easy and fuss-free. I rarely encountered any hiccups, so yeah, let's go and open this up. Okay, so this is the front of the box. It says high-res audio, 30 Rs, Bluetooth, built-in Alexa and Google Assistant, wireless noise cancelling. This is the color that I've got. This is the silver metallic beige. Okay, so this is the back of the box. It says here hands-free calling, 10-minute charge, play up to 5 hours. Wow. Voice assist function, headphone cable, plug adapter for in-flight use, USB Type-C. Okay, so this one is a Type-C carrying case. Okay, without further ado, let's open it up. Easy setup configuration. 1. Download the app. 2. Power on your headphones and connect via the app. Okay, so this is the carrying case. The feel is quite premium. So it has this metal accent for the zippers. It's quite handy as well. I thought it's quite big, but in person it's very small. So this is how it looks like when you're carrying it. It's quite small and it's very light. Okay, so let's open it up. So it has this zipper in gold, nice accent. Okay, oh, this one, it shows you how to return the earphones. So let's just keep it here first. So this is the in-flight adapter, as you can see. So this is the in-flight adapter. Then we have here the cable. And this is the headphones. Okay, the headphones feels quite premium. Leather here. It's very light but very sturdy. You can see here some branding. WH-1000XM3. Some Sony accents in gold. And this one is in gold as well. Looks very premium. It feels very premium, guys. Now the question is why I chose this Sony versus the BOSE QC35ii. For me, there are 3 key differences between this Sony and the BOSE one. So first is the charging port. This one uses the USB Type-C, and I'm currently using a MacBook Pro which uses a Type-C, and I'm also using a Nintendo Switch. So it's quite convenient for me to have a single charger that I can use across my devices. So that's one. Now the second one is the touch functionality here. This is a pros and a cons for others because it depends on the weather in your country, because it's very sensitive that a little dust or a little raindrop will enable it to change songs or pause the song. So this is either a pros or a cons for you, but I live here in Singapore and it's always sunny here most of the time, and I'm planning to use it inside the office, so it doesn't affect me. And another part is it allows you to just cover this right side part of the ear cup, and it converts this headphones into a little microphone. It allows you to listen to whatever external sound there is on this headphone. So that function, I think it's quite new. I haven't seen any headphones like that before. So that's quite cool for me, and it's really useful, especially if you're going to use it inside the office. And guys, that ends our video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, to hit that subscribe button, and also to hit that notification bell so that you guys get notifications whenever I upload new videos. So I'll see you on my next video. God bless.